It's 5:30. Your makeup has been on all day. It's seen the end of this world. It's splotchy, it's drying, it's pilling, but you have to run out the door in 30 minutes for dinner. This is what you do. Grab 2 toner pads and you're just going to remove the excess that is piling up atop. You just want to get rid of all of that and start kind of with a cleaner base. I don't recommend doing this all the time because obviously it's better to fully cleanse your face, yada, 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 but sometimes we just don't have all the time in the world, so toner pads will suffice. We've cleansed, we've toned, and now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of glowy SPF drops. It's gonna be late, so we don't necessarily need all the SPF. Then I'm gonna go in with this milk ampule that's still gonna give you that glowy skin and hydrate at the same time. We don't have enough time for doing that serum and moisturizer. Then we're gonna add in a little bit of a tinted moisturizer. I love this one. It's also super hydrating. Before this drops off my hand, I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzing drops because we want a little bit of that summer glow. And this is going to be your mixture. Mix it up, mix it up, mix it up. And you're just going to apply slowly with one layer first. I mean, look at how easily this goes on your skin. It's almost like giving your skin a little mini shower in the middle of the day. And then at nighttime, we're going to give a full shower with a double cleanse. But this truly does a trick. And that takes 1 minute to look presentable again.